Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can access your page version history inside your Microsoft Loop workspace. For example, if you'd like to go back to a previous version, and restore the previous version. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, I'm on that example page here. Let me switch the page and show you how to do this inside that page here in that workspace on Microsoft Loop. So basically what you'll need to do, guys, is click into these three dots in the top right and select version history. That is going to redirect you to that list here to the right, version history, with all versions listed below from the past, each one representing a point of time where you added a change or an edit to the given page. Like, for example, I don't know, changing the title or adding a code or a Kanban board, a table, tasks, and so on and so forth. So let me reinstate that version. Wait for a brief moment. Click into restore here at the bottom, of course, excuse me, and click into confirm here. And after a brief moment, you will see the restored version. There you go. To be honest, I don't know which changes I added here in this case here, but that's the previous version from that list, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Cut something from it, and we'll catch you later.